After months of delays, Ola Electric finally started delivering the scooters earlier this month. With the mass deliveries making headlines, many customers are unhappy about the manufacturing defects and quality of the scooter. While the scooters are well equipped with several best-in-class features, things are not exactly working out as expected for some users. Many have started complaining about on the social media platforms. Karthik Verma explains the issue and company's reply for that. His scooter had cracks and dents all over the body. When he complained about the same, the manager of the store said they will repair the scooter. However, Karthik said he paid for a new scooter and not a refurbished one. Ola then replied to Karthik and assured him to deliver a replacement scooter and not the repaired one. Karthik further complained about the gap between the LCD panel, which was also seen in other scooters delivered along with him. This is a huge defect which might cause some serious issues if water gets in through the panel gap. He also said that the test ride scooter were showing 152 km range on 98%, while the unit he received shows only 135 km range on 100% charge. Another user has reported that after riding his scooter for just around 6 km, his S1 Pro created some problems such as screeching noises and headlight issues. The scooter was towed away for repairs. When the scooter was delivered back, the owner noticed broken number plate and oil marks all around the scooter. Furthermore, the owner said the scooter was used for around 19 km while it was with the service team. He was also not happy with the fact that documentation for the repairs was not provided. One of the owners said that the scooter stopped charging early in the morning and did not charge the scooter to 100% with the error sound. The scooter and the charger needed to be reset to work again. Another issue noted by one person named Rahul Prasad claims that he paid 7,471 rupees for insurance. His policy document shows that the premium paid was only 6,695 rupees. He also states that the owner do not have the option to take their own policy as of now. These issues were just shared on the social media, but we don't know how many users are experiencing issues in real time. As compared to the conventional ecosystem of dealerships, Ola Electric is following an entirely online approach. Scooters are delivered and serviced at the user's address for repairs and other jobs that cannot be done on-site. As this is a new way of managing after-sales service, it's likely to face problems. This is exactly what appears to happening right now. Hopefully, things will improve in future as problems are identified and resolved from the Ola end. Ola is working with the owners to fix the issues they are facing. Thanks for watching.